I do appreciate your patience for that late departure. We, on the inbound voyage this morning, we had to divert off course to lend assistance to a fishing vessel in distress. That added about an hour and a half to our overall voyage time. So that's the reason for the late departure there. I do appreciate your patience and understanding with that matter. And like I said, we're doing all we can to make up for the time here. We expect fairly calm seas here in the first half of our voyage. As you can see, it's just a little chop out there. When we get a little bit closer to Yarmouth, the sea state may increase just a little bit. We may start to roll a little bit more than we are now. Regardless, if you are up walking about the passenger cabin, I do recommend you use a handrail or something to steady yourself. You never know when you may take an unexpected roll. Folks, Yarmouth is 1 hour ahead of Portland. If you'd like to set your clocks ahead 1 hour at this time, the local time in Yarmouth is 4:35 p.m. Again, folks, we look forward to a very pleasant voyage. We're sure glad you're aboard with us for it, and we will check in with you again when we get a little bit closer to Yarmouth. Thanks again, folks.